let's make meatloaf. So here's everything that I'm going to use. So I usually use mustard powder, but I'm just going to use some Dijon mustard. Okay, so I have 4 pounds of hamburger meat, oregano, huh? Milk. So I'm going to mix this really well, and then I'm going to add in the stovetop. Okay, now that it's mixed well, I'm going to add the stovetop in. And then we're just going to mix this well, and time for the stove. Be back. So I got everything mixed in. Okay, so I have it in my little pot. I'm just going to space it out, push it in. And I forgot bell peppers and onions, y'all. I was like, what am I missing? Okay, now it's ready for the oven. Okay. I think I'm going to put these in the oven. It's too much shrimp. Okay, time to go back in the oven. Steam that, y'all. Food is ready. OMG, y'all, this meatloaf is so good. I just cooked it a little bit too long. Just wanted to make sure it was done. But everything I put in there is bussin', y'all. Lord, orgasm in your mouth. Orgasm in your mouth, y'all. Ooh, y'all. I look rough, but I wanted to eat with y'all. Here you go. Mashed potatoes and meatloaf. Here you go. Some meatloaf. Some mixed veggies. Bussin'.